guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat filters not working on iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If Snapchat filters are not working on your iPhone, try these steps to fix this issue. Number one is restart the app, close the app and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check Snapchat app update. Tap on the App Store app, tap on the profile icon of the top right corner, little bit scroll up and check update. If update is pending or available, simply update your Snapchat app and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your Snapchat server status. Ensure Snapchat servers are not down or experiencing issue. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check your location settings. Ensure location services are enabled for Snapchat settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Snapchat. Make sure location services are enabled always. Contact, photos, microphone, camera, all features are enabled. If disabled, simply enable and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, applying the solution number five. Solution number five is delete and reinstall the Snapchat app on your iPhone. Simply tap on the Snapchat app, delete Snapchat app and reinstall again and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is check iOS update. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. That's it. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, make sure your iPhone's camera is working properly. If your iPhone camera is working properly, simply delete, reset all settings, your iPhone and fix this problem. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working, you have granted Snapchat the necessary permissions, you are using the latest version of the app, your internet connection is stable. Make sure your internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi is connected, stable or smooth. If you are still having trouble, feel free to provide and contact with Snapchat Sports for further assistance. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat filters not working on iPhone on iOS 17 latest 2024 method. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.